Have you ever wondered why some people can turn $100 into a fortune, while others blow through it like it's loose change? Here's the shocking truth. 78% of American workers live paycheck to paycheck, yet the average millionaire thinks about spending $100 in a completely different way. It's not just what they buy, it's how they think about money. So, what's the secret? It's called the $100 rule, and today, we're going to expose how the rich treat this amount like a decision, not just a transaction. And once you learn to do the same, your entire financial future could change. Stick with us till the end, because somewhere in the middle is one principle that millionaires swear by, and almost no one talks about. If you believe you're built for more, subscribe now. We're here to guide you with tools, strategies, and stories that actually make a difference. Let's begin. Number 1. The $100 dinner trap. Imagine this. It's Friday night. You're tired from the week, and a friend suggests dinner at a trendy restaurant. You check your bank account. You've got $280 left till payday. You pause, then say yes. That dinner costs $100. Sound familiar? Now let's flip this. A wealthy person in the same situation? They ask one key question first. What am I saying no to by saying yes to this? Every $100 the rich spend is tied to value, not mood. They use a concept from behavioral economics called opportunity cost framing. They don't just look at what they gain now, but what they sacrifice later. We treat money like a mood stabilizer. Bad day? Treat yourself. Good day? Celebrate. But $100 used emotionally compounds into thousands of lost dollars annually. Next time you're about to spend $100, ask, will this expense grow me or just please me? The rich turn $100 dinners into $100 investments. You don't need to stop living. You just need to start choosing. Number 2. Subscription creep. Ever felt like your money just vanishes each month and you can't figure out where it went? That's subscription creep, the sneakiest wealth killer in disguise. One by one, those $5, $10, or $19.99 charges pile up. Netflix, Spotify, Apple TV Plus, Amazon Prime, Audible, cloud storage, meal kits, fitness apps, premium newsletters. And before you know it, you're burning $200 to $300 a month on things you barely use. That's $2,400 to $3,600 a year. For what? Digital clutter. Every $100 saved from subscription creep could be your seed for financial freedom. Canceling unused $10 apps may not feel heroic, but it's how the wealthy protect and multiply their money. Would you rather keep paying $14.99 per month for something you forgot you subscribed to, or own part of Amazon stock worth $190 plus a share? Go to your bank account or card statements. Audit every recurring charge. Build a monthly ritual. Cancel, clean up, and reallocate. Redirect every freed up $100 into dividend ETFs, REITs, or a robo-advisor account. Make your money work for you, not vanish in digital noise. Coming up next, a shocking truth about how rich people spend $100 on gifts and why it builds their network, not just their image. Number 3. The $100 gift rule. Let me ask you something bold. Are your gifts building value or just buying validation? Wealthy people follow the $100 gift rule, not out of stinginess, but strategy. While most people overspend on gifts to prove love or status, the rich focus on meaningful impact, not material excess. Because a $500 designer wallet rarely holds as much emotional value as a handwritten letter with a $50 investment bond attached. Let's make this real. In 2023, Americans spent an average of $997 on gifts during the holiday season alone. That's almost $83 per month, not including birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, baby showers, and the dozen random, obligatory occasions sprinkled throughout the year. Yet most people can't remember half of what they gave or received. Wealthy individuals ask, is this gift building future value for them or me? They often stick to a $100 limit, but with a twist. It must educate, empower, or elevate, not impress. So instead of giving a luxury item, they might gift $100 in fractional shares or a course on investing or even a custom journal with goal prompts. Because that doesn't just say, I care. It says, I believe in your growth. Stop giving gifts that create temporary smiles and start giving what creates long-term shifts. The $100 gift rule isn't about being cheap. It's about being conscious. What does it mean to use the $100 rule for buying time? And how does this single shift catapult productivity? Number 4. Buying time with $100. Here's a wild but true idea. You can literally buy back time with $100, and the wealthy do it all the time. Want to know the difference between people who build empires and those who burn out chasing bills? It's this. Rich people don't spend time to save money. They spend money to save time. While most people waste hours doing low-leverage tasks like laundry, grocery runs, mowing the lawn, or inbox cleaning, the wealthy delegate these for under $100 so they can focus on building income-producing assets, learning stock market strategies, or closing high-ticket deals. The average person spends over 16 hours per week on unpaid household work. That's 832 hours a year. What if you redirected even 20% of that into reading investment books, learning about ETFs, or starting a side hustle that makes $500 per month? Here's the brutal truth. Doing everything yourself to save $100 is often the most expensive decision you make. You're exchanging growth for chores, and that's a poor trade. Number 5. Identity-based spending. Most people don't buy things. They buy identities. That $120 sneaker. Not about comfort. It's about belonging. That luxury car lease? Not about getting from A to B. It's about showing you've made it. This is called identity-based spending, and it's silently keeping millions broke in America. People spend money to become who they want others to think they are, not who they really are. Rich people? They flip the script. They spend based on values, not vanity. Eric, a 29-year-old in LA, used to spend over $450 per month on clothes, colognes, and clubbing, because his self-worth was tied to being the stylish guy. When he realized he was still living paycheck to paycheck, he flipped, cut his spending, invested that $450 per month into growth stocks and ETFs, and now generates $6,000 plus in passive income annually. Number 6. The $100 learning investment. Here's a $1 million mindset shift most people miss. Rich people don't see $100 as an expense. They see it as an investment in intellectual capital. While others waste $100 on a weekend dinner or a flashy pair of sneakers, the wealthy often put that same money into books, courses, seminars, or mentorships that sharpen their minds and skills. Because they understand the rule. Your brain compounds faster than your bank account ever will. Pick one area that will unlock income for you: investing, public speaking, YouTube, coding, sales, writing. Spend $100 this week on a course, book, or mentor in that field. Then implement aggressively. Set a 90-day ROI goal. How will I turn this $100 into $1,000? If you keep skipping knowledge because it's expensive, you're choosing ignorance, which is far costlier. Wealth is not just built with capital, it's built with capability. Poor people spend $100 to escape their life. Rich people spend $100 to upgrade it. How $100 spent wrong in your environment can delay your dreams by years. Number 7. Environmental design spending. Derek, a graphic designer, always worked in clutter. Then one day, he spent $100 redesigning his workspace: better lighting, minimal desk setup, noise-canceling headphones. His productivity tripled. This is called environmental engineering, a powerful behavioral psychology principle. Rich people optimize environments to trigger focus and clarity. Spend $100 improving your workspace, bedroom, or digital space to reinforce your goals. Clutter is expensive. It costs energy and focus. The rich spend $100 to remove friction. Imagine if every $100 you spent was a reflection of your highest goals, not your lowest impulses. Where would you be a year from now? Here's your challenge. For the next 30 days, track how you use each $100. Make everyone a vote for your future. If this video sparked a new mindset, subscribe to You're Wealthy, because we're just getting started. Your wealth isn't a dream, it's a discipline. See you in the next one.